All right. Good morning, everyone. Louis Sports Lino Manova Market, and this is July 1st and the morning ES call. And well, the market's been very volatile the last 2 days. Anthony's done a great job getting us, keeping us abreast, and getting the morning meeting out, and so on. It frees me up to do more research and do other things as far as the markets are concerned. And we got other things that we'd like to roll out. But I'm right in front of you. This is a day chart, and if you look back down here in this gray area, I'm looking at the low that was put back in January 16th, 2015. This is 1970 and a quarter. So it got in the gray area here. And then this is the area that I've been talking about for a couple months now. This 1250, I'd like to see the market go down to, I'm sorry, to 2050, 2050, 2050. We've gone down there and we've tested it. So, and then this is now the next key area I'm talking about. This 2072 area, right? Up to 2080. This is like 2080 to 2085, right? So, the market, we've come back. We got on here under the Greek crisis. We went down and tested the 1250. Um, you know, this has to hold. If it does not hold the 1250 area, I think we could go back down and test the lows of the year. We're back in January. So I'm just bringing that up. But all that said, remember that we did talk about the market selling off to the end of June. This is now July 1st, going into the holiday weekend. Do we go and, uh, um, take back this rally? Because it looks like in the Greek crisis, there's still room for negotiation. And I think that the Greek finance minister yesterday and today, with the upheaval in Greece with the banks closing and the line staying out there, is really causing a big problem for him. And I think the Greek people realize that people mean business as far as paying their debt back. All right, so we'll take a look at the overnight high of 2077 half. We got an overnight low here of 2054 half. Both of this looks unfinished on the top. Looks like they're going to put some fill in this area up here between 2075 half and 2069. We got these single prints here. Kind of a double distribution when you look at an overnight, but this looks unfinished and the top looks unfinished. All right, so that's going to cause me an issue today as far as on the short side. Now, remember also, we have unemployment coming out on Thursday because we're closed on Friday. So they're going to release that basically tomorrow. So that could cause some short covering today. So I'd be careful with on the long side, especially if we go out and we got to take over the overnight high, right? Got to take over the overnight high. But when you talk our overnight research, okay, it looks like the volume has been moderate, like 242,000 contracts traded. We have a resistance level of 2074 half to 2077 half. Our bull bear zone I'll get to in a second, but we have a net inventory of long. So the overnight inventory is a net long with the bull bear zone at 2061 half. But so I would expect a sell off on the morning, and then maybe it's a short covering or a long. People are getting out of these longs, but I'm looking for failure on either end. So because of the fact that the market is unfinished on both ends, looking at the overnight profile. All right, so we got a value area high of 2059.75. I got a value area low of 2052 and a quarter. We got a point of control of 2057 half, and we got a bull bear zone of 2061 half. 2061 half. So let me look here. I think I got a problem with this chart. I want to fix it right now. But um, settings. Let's go to futures. No, we're good. Okay. All right. Let's go to the 5 minute pivot. I'm going to go to the 5 minute pivot here. That's a problem. I had the 30 minute up there so I could show you the value areas. All right. We got the 5 minute pivot sitting at 2066 half. Um, right here, 2066 half, and and then looks like all the sisters are rallying also, and they're sitting above their 5 minute pivots. So I'm looking for the market to trade both sides. That 2050 area holding is key to me. And if we make a push down there and we can't take it out, and going into an unemployment thing coming tomorrow, I'd be looking for this market to rally and these shorts to come back and get out of their shorts. And also, volume has picked up the last couple of days because we've gotten down an area where people want to participate. So, I'm on the on the bull side of the market as far as as long as we're holding this 2050 area and going into the holiday. The other thing that's telling me that the market is starting to stabilize is gold. Gold is not, it spiked up there, on the news up to about 1178, and here we are $10 lower at 1168. So that and bonds have also basically have sold off from their high with the news from 151, and now they're back down to 149. So that's telling me that even though the Fed said that they were going to hold off maybe about raising rates in September, but that's all left for speculation. But look, world crisis for me means that we could keep our rates where they're at and even lower them, and people are going to run to our bonds. So why pay a higher rate if you can get people to make a flight to quality? So I'm still of the belief that I don't think they're going to raise the rates. All right, everybody have a good day trading. Follow us on Twitter. Anthony's doing a great job getting more charts out and helping you with your trades. So two-sided trade, 261 half. Keep an eye on that. Maybe I think we could sell off down to that on the opening based on the fact that we have a net long in the market. All right, everybody. Talk to you later. Bye.